All right, let it go. There you go. We out here, Ranco Pro Baja. We got the track to ourselves. We got the little car unloaded. It's gonna go for a rip. Just filled up her fluid logic. It's gonna be hydrated all day. Julian, the co-driver. Fab, go get your gear on. We're gonna do some laps. Ready, Julian?
Yep.
All right, strap on in. And I've just put a PCI radio in it.
Maybe. So this one's got the same one. See, he can move this is PCI.
How's that feel?
It's got the Bluetooth.
Y apretado.
Well, this one's got the earbuds too. I can give him earbuds. Does that have earbuds in it?
I don't think it has the earbud connectors. Does it feel okay?
I should have bought the earbuds.
Yeah?
I need help with the...
Vámonos.
All right, pull it down. Pull the yellow. All right, let it go. There you go. And do the same here. Pull it down. It's down. Up, pull your head back. There you go. Up. All right, locked and loaded.
Oh!
What's wrong?
This is horrible!
That's safety first, kids.
¿Escuchas?
Sí.
Ok.
Haremos todas las vueltas necesarias hasta que te sientas cómodo.
Ok.
Con ropa normal se va a sentir rara, pero si ya tienes como el traje de carreras, no se va a sentir incómodo.
Got the little trophy burrito out here track practicing today for next weekend monster trucks and UTV kids race. So, gonna get some laps in this morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, Saturday. Just having fun. Julian's co-driving with her again. comes down the main straight. Hold it wide, kid. She can make up time in this section if she holds it all the way open. It'll get it into higher RPMs. Definitely pass some cars here. All right, how's the track?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Where's going to be your fast section? This section, all the way fast. You're going to pass some 170s here, right? And then the only slow one is that sharp corner down the hill?
Yes, down the hill. It's
And then what about after that? You get back on it?
Yes, I get back on it.
All right, so you like the course?
Yes.
How's your car feel?
Good.
Good? Everything's good? Nice to have Julian back?
Yeah.
Julian missed the race.
Yep. Payne did.
Payne did awesome. We got a couple cows on the course, so we got to move those and then we'll be back to practice. A few more laps.
2 more?
Uh-oh.
It's gonna bite you. All right, how was you guys' practice?
My sock.
How was your practice?
Good, there's a red spider in my sock.
Julian, how's the car?
Good.
How's it feel? Faster, right?
Yeah.
She's driving better, more
Yeah.
confident?